Do you know how hard it is to wear heels in Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you what I wore and how to pack for Denver, Colorado, like the essentials you need. Funny thing is, I recorded this before my trip, but it got deleted somehow. I don't know how, but it's deleted. So I just thought, you know what, why not record it after my trip, which I feel like it's gonna be better this time around because I didn't essentially wear everything I wanted to wear. So I'm gonna show you the things that I actually wore, and I'm gonna tell you the things that are important because it is freezing cold over there, especially since I'm from Texas, a Nigerian Texan at that. Okay, I love the heat. It is cold, so let's get into it. Okay. This is the first outfit. This is what I wore to the airport. I had on my snakeskin Uggs with these oatmeal socks. It looks like it doesn't fit. I just don't feel like putting it on all the way. But I will link where I got these snakeskin Uggs from. These socks I don't remember, but I'll try to find them and link them as well. I got this outfit from, I believe, okay, so this two-piece was from Shein. It is in my monochromatic fall Shein haul. If you go to my videos, you'll see it's not that far off. This jacket I got from Pretty Little Thing. Um, and this turtleneck I also got from Shein, which is in my last Shein haul. Yeah. And this hat I got from Rainbow. So essentially, oh, and then I did wear gloves, but I don't want to wear them now because I'm obviously working with the camera. But this is what I wore from head to toe to the airport. And I got so many compliments. I was matching my suitcase. But so you might say this might look too light for Denver. I was leaving from Austin and it was like 70 degrees. I didn't want to pretty much wear a ski jacket leaving Austin when I knew it wasn't that cold. So I wanted to wear something warm enough for Austin and Denver. So I felt like this was good and I felt like I did a good job. Um, yeah. Felt like I did a good job. I'm pretty sure I layered. I also wore leggings under this two-piece. Y'all, Denver is cold. Please layer. Like, Denver is cold. And this is a good airport outfit. Like, this isn't what I wore out in the snow. But let's get into the next outfit. Okay, guys. I'm back with my second outfit. I am sweating. Can y'all tell? I hope not. This is the second outfit. Let me break it down. This is the second outfit. Okay, I already told you I got the beanie from Rainbow. I got the ski glasses from Amazon that I will link because they worked perfectly. I also got this jacket from Amazon. Funny story is I originally bought a ski suit because I wanted it to be cute. It was pink as well. And let's just say it didn't fit. It did not fit. So I had to find a last minute like outfit, which was scary because I only had like a week left. So I bought it from Amazon, use Prime. I will link it because literally I'm sweating. This kept me so warm and all I have is a turtleneck under here. This kept me so warm. It's insulated. It has like, I don't know if you can tell, fur in the inside. It's thick. It's cute. I got so many compliments on this. I also got my ski pants from Amazon. I am sweating in this as well. I didn't wear the thermals that I bought, but I also wore like leggings or thermals inside the pants because again, it is freezing in Colorado. So I got the ski pants from Amazon. I want y'all to see sorry guys, I want y'all to see my pants and my shoes. So, pants from Amazon, shoes from Fashion Nova. I recently posted these on my shoe haul. Literally, I think the first shoe I talk about. So, the link, if you're interested in these shoes, the link is in that video. It is super comfortable, size 11. I have big feet for women, size 11 in women's. And they were cuter than I thought. Okay, now that y'all have the gist of this outfit, let me get into, I believe, did I have dinner that night? This outfit was for Friday. Friday was our snow day. So this is what I wore Friday for our snow activities. And let me get into the outfit I wore for Friday night. Alright guys, I'm back with my next outfit. I forgot to mention, for my ski outfit, I did wear these ski gloves that kept my hands so warm. When I wasn't wearing them, I did get freezer burn on my hands and it was so uncomfortable, like to the point where I had to have hand warmers to warm my hands in these gloves. So yeah, when I finally put these gloves on, they kept my hands warm. We did go snowmobiling and tubing, so we were out in the cold for a while. Forgot to mention these. I will link these down below as well. So the next outfit I have is this velvet bodysuit I got from Fashion Nova. And I wore, okay, so I wore this. This definitely kept me warm. Really warm. Again, I wore this to dinner in the evening, so it's not like I was outside. Wore this to dinner. But when we were outside, I did wear this jacket. This puffer leather jacket that I got from Rainbow. I did wear it when we were outside, like waiting. And then I had my boots, my snow boots that I got from Fashion Nova, because again, we were in Colorado and it was snowing non-stop. Well, not the first day, but the second day on, Friday downwards, it was snowing non-stop. This is what I wore. I know you guys are like, dang sis, like you wore the beanie every day. I did. And it's funny because I'm not even a hat person or a beanie person. But y'all, like, I'm wearing braids, and like I keep saying, Colorado was freezing cold. Like, I felt the snow, I felt the cold on my scalp, and it just, I hate being cold. So, I did wear the beanie every day, just a heads up. Oh, well, except for dinner, which I will show you my outfit. So, yes, this is what I wore. Thought it was cute. Ignore the socks. I didn't feel like putting the shoes on because you saw the shoes. Um, All right, let's hurry up and get into the next outfit. Alrighty, I am here with the next outfit. It is another bodysuit that you will see in its entirety in just a few seconds. Okay, guys, so this is the bodysuit in its entirety. I wore this inside. We did go to a puff paint place and we were instructed to wear things that we would be okay if paint got on, or you know, like you wouldn't really see paint on it. So this was like the closest thing I had in my closet. I mean, not my closet, my suitcase. This is what I wore inside. Let me move my hair. This is what I wore inside. Again, I got this from Fashion Nova. And when it was cold, I wore this jacket that I got from Shein with it that I got from Shein with it. This is a full outfit. I don't know if you get the gist. Don't have the shoes on, but I did wear the Fashion Nova snow boots because it was snowing. But yeah, this is the outfit I wore. We had brunch that day. We went to Puff Paint. So I want it to be chill and cute at the same time, and I thought this was giving chill and cute. Chill and cute. So I love it. I love how I look with it. This is again the jackets from Shein, bodysuits from Fashion Nova, beanies from Rainbow. My snow boots were from Fashion Nova. But yeah, this is what I wore. Let's get into my dinner outfit. Hey guys, so I'm back with my dinner outfit. Um, no beanie, finally. Ignore my edges. I'm sweating. Like literally look at that. Like it's hot with all the thermal clothes I had on. But this is the dinner outfit. I will show you how I look in its entirety. I am so mad because I didn't get to take pictures in this, so I will be wearing this again. But give me a few seconds to show y'all how this looks fully. Okay, guys, so this is the dress. If you follow me long enough, you will know that I posted this in one of my recent Fashion Nova hauls. If you just scroll down, if you're interested in this dress, the link is there. I'm so upset. I got so many compliments. Didn't get to take pictures in this. I feel like it goes well with my hair. Yeah, I'm wearing this again because I don't have pictures in it. And funny thing is, I did not wear my snow boots, obviously. I wore heels. Do you know how hard it is to wear heels in the snow? Nobody warned me. It was hard, it was slippery, it was cold, it was painful. Never again. I didn't get to, like, that's one of the reasons why I didn't take pictures because I could not, like, stand long enough in the cold to take a picture. But yeah, that's besides the point. The dress is beautiful. The dress is beautiful. I wore this to a steak dinner. Now, let me show you guys my last bonus outfit. Last but not least, pajamas. Like, you think I was sleeping bareback in Colorado in that cold? No. Funny enough, it was actually my boyfriend that picked out this pajama onesie for us because he bought it for himself too, which you will see in the vlog. We are wearing matching pajamas. Yes, we are that couple. The vlog actually comes out right after this, so right after this video. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, so these are the pajamas, and I'm so glad he got these thick pajamas because again it was so cold. Like literally at night I felt so cozy in this. I will link this below. You don't have to have a boo to have these pajamas. Even if I was going with my friends, like my girls or solo, this was the perfect onesie to wear. I was not freezing, and I hate freezing when I'm cold. This is the pajamas he picked out. It's super cozy, has pockets and a hoodie. So I loved it. Covers your feet. You actually have the option to take off the footsies, but I kept them on because again I hate being cold and my feet are always cold. And going back to, well, leaving Denver, I wore the same outfit I wore coming, didn't care. So I filmed this video because when I was going to Colorado, I just had no clue or no idea of what to wear and what to pack and what to expect because I've never been. So I just hope this video was informative. I hope you guys got some outfit ideas, some inspiration. If you want to know things to do, stay tuned for my vlog that is coming up in a few days. Ask any questions you need down below in the descriptions. I don't mind answering. If you need certain links, or if you want me to tell you where certain outfits or items were, I don't mind again. Thank you so much for watching. I am grateful. Stay blessed. Thank you.